Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable password sync only in Chrome Mobile, so your saved passwords are always available across your devices, without syncing everything else. This is the updated method for 2025, and it works on both Android and iOS. Let's get started. First, open the Chrome app on your mobile device. Look for the three-dot menu icon, usually at the top right corner of your screen, and tap it. This will open a menu with several options. From this menu, tap on Settings. Here, you'll see your Google account at the top. Make sure you're signed in with the account you want to sync your passwords with. Next, tap on Sync. This option is typically right under your account name. If you don't see it immediately, look for Sync and Google Services, and then select Sync. By default, Chrome might have Sync Everything turned on. This means all your bookmarks, history, passwords, and more are being synced. But if you only want to sync passwords, you'll need to change this setting. Tap the switch next to Sync Everything to turn it off. Once it's off, you'll see a list of individual data types you can choose to sync. These include bookmarks, open tabs, addresses, and, of course, passwords. Now toggle on the switch next to Passwords. Make sure all other options are turned off if you only want to sync your passwords. This ensures that only your saved passwords will be kept up to date across your devices, and nothing else will be shared. That's it. You've now set Chrome Mobile to sync only your passwords. This is perfect if you want to keep your login information handy, without syncing your entire browsing history or bookmarks. If you ever want to change what gets synced, just follow these steps again and adjust your preferences. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.